Hi, brothers and sisters. A lot of people are wondering what's going on with the strange, mysterious sounds that's happening around the world. Someone asked me about this 2 weeks ago, and I supposed to make the video right away, but uh, because of this strong um, energies that's showering us, I'm also affected by that. I know many of you were feeling discomfort and feeling tired and lethargic and all kinds of pains, aches and pains, ringing in the ears and all that stuff, strange noise you hear on your ears. Here's the explanation of these strange sounds. First, you have to understand that the planet, Mother Earth, is a living being. It's a biological living being. The planet is alive. I know to brothers and sisters that are not awakened yet, you might not understand this or think that this is a silly answer. But yes, the planet is alive. The moaning and groaning, I call it moaning and groaning, that you hear around the world from Mother Earth, it is only a process of transcending, releasing the old cellular structure, the old codes, the old energies of the planet in order for Mother Earth to rise up, to raise her frequency. We as the human beings, we are the cells of Mother Earth. We are also experiencing what Mother Earth is experiencing. However, many of you do not know or do not understand it. I understand what's going on with Mother Earth because I also felt the same way. That strange sound, with my explanation, this is no malice, okay? I will just explain a simple explanation. Way back in 2009, around September 2009, my sleeping pattern had changed. And I blamed it, maybe I'm just overworked, I work too much, I think. And I said, now it changes my sleeping pattern. Every time I fall asleep, few minutes later, I will be awakened by a loud noise that I made. I heard myself moaning. I was not moaning that I was in ecstasy or in pain, but I could hear myself moan like, Then I wake up. I said, what's going on? I could hear myself moaning. Every time I fall asleep, just the first few, maybe 10 minutes, or my body or myself do this thing. I moan and I wake up. Sometimes I record myself. I said, what's going on with me? Well, in 2010, when I had awakened after Easter, I was interested in helping myself to raise my frequency in order for me to ascend with Mother Earth. So I was looking for anything on the internet to raise my vibration. And I found some ascending music, nice music to listen, and some videos about meditation to raise your frequency. And I stumbled into this lady, I don't remember her name, but she was teaching how to raise our frequency. And one of her style was, she was barking. And I thought it was so silly. I said, no, I'm not going to do that. No way. And I never really practiced this thing. I guess I'm just too busy. And then I stumbled into a video of the Ascended Master Kutumi from the Galactic Federation of Light. and she was showing or teaching us how to raise our frequency by this exercise. First, she said that tell your ego to stay on your left side, on your left shoulder, and not to do anything. Do not let the ego participate, but the purpose of the ego is just observe, be an observer, and do not do anything until we ask the ego to participate. So, she said, repeat after me. And the moment she invoked that exercise to raise our frequency, my eyes were wide open because she said, okay, repeat after me. And then she said, ah, 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 like you are, in ecstasy. And I said, holy cow, I've been doing that every time I fall asleep. And I believe that was the reason that I stumbled into this video, to show me that this is the answer to the question that I cannot figure out why I keep moaning every time I fall asleep. So in 2010, I have a lot of pains and aches, discomfort, flu-like symptoms, ringing in the ears, and I didn't know what's going on with that. And it bothered me so much. However, Archangel Michael sent the message that this process, the pains and discomforts that we have been experiencing, strange noises in our ears or ringing in the ears, are just process of our body slow transmuting, just like Mother Earth. Mother Earth is moaning to release the old energy. And with me, when I fall asleep and I moan, so my body was doing the things in order to raise my frequency without me participating in it. So I just thought it was strange. So if you feel all these discomforts and ringing in the ears, do not be alarmed. It is just a process of all of us who are awakened. We experience this. Even the people that are not awakened, they will experience this discomforts and pains. However, they might just associate it with, getting sick. But you as an awakened being, all you need to do is just be open, expand your knowledge, and meditate. Like open your understanding and receive these strong energies that are trying to clean our body system in order for us to ascend. And this is a very slow process. It will not happen quickly, or else our body will not be able to assimilate. So connect with Mother Earth. And if you hear that sound, meditate and connect with Mother Earth. It's good that you're outside, sit on the grass, and hear that sound, meditate, or do your chanting, or this exercise that Ascended Master Kutumi had shown that, and I do understand that when you moan, your solar plexus is affected. Like you can feel your solar plexus, it's lighting up like, ah, 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 ah. Like, it is a good exercise. I know it sounds silly, and I'm explaining this with no malice. This is why Mother Earth is moaning and groaning. Connect with Mother Earth. If you hear that sound, it is faster way for you to cleanse your body system. I love you all, brothers and sisters.